Hey travelers! Today's pro tip, how to bring home the booze, or maple syrup, olive oil, homemade jam, you get the idea. The delicious things you can't put in your carry-on. The good news is, according to the TSA website, flying domestically with beer, wine, and spirits is fine, as long as they go in your checked luggage. Just to be safe, double-check the latest rules before you fly. There's a link in the description. First things first, plan ahead. If you're heading to wine country, the World Series of Barbecue, or the Kentucky Bourbon Trail, chances are you'll want to bring back some carry-on contraband, so let's make sure it gets home safely. Here's the method I recommend. Pack smart from the start. When you're leaving for your trip, pack your things in a backpack. Then, toss the backpack into your carry-on, along with some old towels, a few large Ziplocs, and a couple paper grocery bags. These will come into play later. On the outbound flight, no need to check your bag, just carry it on as usual. This way your luggage doesn't take a detour to lost luggage jail. But once you arrive, set your carry-on aside. It's about to become your booze transport system. During the trip, go ahead and help out the local economy. Grab some local wine, whiskey, hot mustard, barbecue sauce, whatever calls to you. Now here's the key. I call it Operation Turducken. When you're packing up to come home, use the carry-on to transport your liquid treasures. Put each bottle in a Ziploc, wrap it in a paper grocery bag, and use the towels for extra cushion. If there's extra space, fill in the gaps with socks or t-shirts. You want the bag to be full, but not overstuffed. Now head to the airport, check the booze bag, carry on your backpack, and hope for the best. I've had great success using this method, and hopefully it works for you as well. So that's today's pro tip, friends. If you've tried this technique or you have some pro tips of your own, let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Happy travels.